We are Pia and Sean vanlifing with our three little dogs. We're here discovering Kirk Creek Campground at Big Sur, California, enjoying ocean views and fresh air. This is one of the most beautiful spots we've ever camped at. Stay tuned and we thank you for watching.
Good morning from Kirk Creek Campground. We got here just as it was getting dark to make dinner. Beautiful green hills and nice big campsite. This is number 20. We're overlooking the ocean. And you don't get camping like this very often. This beautiful views. We're hoping that these clouds burn off today. It is supposed to be sunny. We got Grogu doing his morning business, and we'll have the rest of the doggies out here shortly. Trail up there. See a couple people walking their dog up there. See if we can go all the way up to the top of that hill today. Han Solo had her last dog training session yesterday, so she's feeling good. And this is a beautiful spot. This is site number 20. Overlooking the ocean. It's a little overcast here, 8 a.m., but not too cool. This is the last weekend of July 2024, and it's a nice little relief from the 100 degrees heat. And we're excited to check out the area, relax, have some nice cool weather for the pups. And then we're heading back home tomorrow, so we'll show you the trails and the ocean views around Kirk Creek Campground, and get some good little adventure for this one. What'd you see? Grogu. Grogu, Grogu, Grogu. There he is. Good boy. Cooking with a view. Hers, mine. Hers, mine. Pia, what's going on behind you? These two are looking to go on an adventure today, especially this baby boy. You ready? Puppy's first trip to Big Sur. The sun is out. We're shaping up for a beautiful day in Big Sur with the storyteller. This is the view from spot 22, right on the ocean. right on the cliff, overlooking the beach. This is the spot that you can definitely get the best bang for your 20 bucks getting lulled to sleep by the ocean waves. We are on spot 20 right there across the street, but this is the money spot. We're heading out of the campground. Got a self-service pay for the first come first serve. There's the map and another showcase of the rules. And this little puppy is ready for his first hike. People just parked here to go to the hike. A lot of people were going down to the beach. Kirk Creek, doing a little hike. The doggies loving the hike, and we've only gone to the sign. Okay, look at this view right over the ocean. We might be carrying some puppies. The whole campground. Let's go, honey. A little bit of a drop off here, so stay to the right. Even a half mile up this little loop. Already getting the pup some water. We had a reverse of plans. Doggies got a little overheated or just tired, so we are bringing them back to the van, get some water, and then we're gonna go back up. So in case you didn't know what poison oak looks like, there's quite a bit of this in Northern California. If you get too close to it, it's not gonna be horrible, but if you get right into it, or your dogs do, you're gonna be really itchy, and some people are really badly allergic to this as well, so best to stay away if you see this on the trails and whatnot. We'll be looking for it on here. What do you think, Pia? Just don't touch stuff that looks like that. So we just talked to our friendly camp host, who was really nice to tell us that there isn't really a trail that's friendly down to the beach here. We did see a couple videos that said that there is between sites 9 and 11, or 10 and 11, but it's rocky and it hasn't really been groomed by the Forest Service. So it's kind of a rocky beach area as well. There's a beautiful beach right behind me down there that I flew the drone to, but you can't make it down there. So we're probably gonna treat this as our main hike today, going up into the hills. And tomorrow when we leave to go back home, they said there's a really beautiful beach hike that goes through Mill Creek, just south of Kirk Creek. And we're gonna check that out, hopefully. So we'll show you that tomorrow on our way out. So thanks for watching this section of the video. If you do enjoy watching Pia and I scramble around with our dogs in the van, please hit that like and subscribe buttons. Really helps us out. We're getting close to a good milestone, and we'd really appreciate you guys. Hopefully when this video comes out, we'll have hit it if you guys are helping us out. And also hit that little bell to get alerts, because that also helps. And I know it sounds cringe to hear that every time, but it does help. And a lot of people that watch don't always hit the subscribe button because it's free and it helps us out. So thanks so much. And we love showing you guys our little trips here with the doggos.